Hey friends. All right, so today I'm going to be just doing something that's hopefully really simple, and that is to get the weeds from in front of the entrance of my beehive. It makes the bees work harder, I guess, if there's things in the way of their entrance. Like, there's no need for it. So just gonna clean it up a little bit before I go ahead and mow today. um I didn't bring my smoker. I'm new at this, and so hopefully that is a good decision, an okay decision, and hopefully they don't get really salty at me for being by the entrance of their hive. So we're gonna see how this goes, guys. I'm doing this first because I'm gonna mow in not long, and I figured it would be smarter to do this before I get them agitated. So here we go. All right, so far so good. Hopefully they didn't get too agitated. I think I got it done. Thanks, friends.